Welcome to the Belly Up Bar. Today we're going to make a drink from Trader Vic's 1972 called the Tortuga. Comes in at 21% ABV. Fairly complicated, quite a few ingredients, but it's a great drink. So let's get started. Calls for 1 1/4. Lemon Hart 151. Good rum. Always tell people when you're putting this in their drink. And 1 Cocchi di Torino vermouth. And 1 1/2 orange juice. You can use fresh. This is Minute Maid frozen, original, without the calcium and all the extras. 1 1/2. I like this orange juice because it's nice and smooth, creamy. Fresh orange juice is a little more tangy, but sometimes that tastes better, so have at it. And 1 lemon juice. This is fresh. And 1/2 Persian lime juice. Fresh. And he calls for a dash of the next 3, but in his book he says a dash. In these cases of orgeat and grenadine and whatever are equal to 1/4. So a dash equals 1/4. A lot of the recipes don't do that, so we're going to do it exactly like Trader's book. 1/4 orange curacao. And 1/4 of white crème de cacao. This is Bols. And 1/4 of grenadine. Lots of grenadines out there. I'm going to use Liber. Right. And I'm going to shake this instead of flash it. I've got big ice cubes today, so the malt mixer doesn't like big cubes, so I'm going to shake this. About 17. I'm going to pour that in. Nice tiki mug, and 1/2 of spent lime shell on top. And reach over here and get a straw. And there you have it. This is called the Tortuga. Trader Vic's 1972. The recipe is unaltered. Hope you like it. If you do, please subscribe, press the like button. And as usual, my recipes are all in the descriptions. And have a look at some of the other recipes of the past. I have almost 100 recipes out there, and they're all good. They're not going to go away. So thank you for subscribing, those of you who have done so. And we'll see you next time.